Good morning, students of class 9. I am B.D. Bhagat teaching you math. So, constructions are very easy. Question will be like this: geometrical construction. Draw a triangle. In which three sum of sides AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Angle B will be 60 degree and angle C is equal to 30 degree. So, sides are not given, but sum of the three sides are given. But angles are given. How can you do? Very easy. For this, we take a line as a base equal to the sum of the three sides. Here sum of the three sides is 12. So we are drawing exactly by measuring a line. Suppose this is BC whose length is 12 centimeter. And on the line BC and at the point B, we have to draw an angle 60 degree. So we know how to draw an angle 60 degree. So we draw an angle 60 degree. Suppose this is angle 60 degree. This is the line which makes angle 60 degree. And similarly, at the point C, we have to draw a line, drawing an angle of 30 degree. This is very easy. First of all, for this, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree, and bisecting this angle, we will easily get the angle of 30 degree. So, same process will be done. This is the angle 30 degree here. And these two lines cut at suppose point A. Now, what we have to do? We have to bisect, perpendicularly bisect line AB and AC also. For this, we draw an arc whose length will be more than half of the length of AB. So this is the arc. Suppose at this side, both sides we have to do the same arc. We have to draw the same arc. This side also and this side also. Now, taking the same arc, we keep our A at A, and taking the same arc of same length, we cut these two lines. Suppose this line cuts here. Now we join this. So this line, I mean to say that this is the line which bisects perpendicular to the line AB. Suppose I'm sorry, this is done after that. So, we have not to do. First of all, what we have to do, we have done the triangle in which sum of the three sides are given and both angles are given. Now we bisect these angles of 60 degree and 30 degree also. For this, we draw an arc of any length And from here we draw an arc here, and from here we cut this arc. And if we join this point of cutting, then this will be a line. Similarly, we bisect angle 30 degree using the same process. So, suppose this is BM, both lines starts at M. Now, what we have to do? From M, we draw a straight line parallel to AB, and from M also we have to draw a straight line parallel to AC. There are two methods to draw a line. First method was we have to make corresponding angle, means angle opposite side equal to this angle, and same case. But now this time this process is not adopted. Second process is we draw a perpendicular bisector of BM and MC also. Using the same, we draw, we cut, we take the nozzle of compass at B and take an arc whose length will be more than the length of arc BM, suppose this, and this side also we have to draw. And from M, we draw the same arc which we cut the first arc, suppose this, and we now join this line. Huh? So, this is the perpendicular bisector. Of AB. Similarly, we have to bisect, perpendicular bisect MC. This is the line. Now, I am forgetting something. So, I am using the first process today. This will also give the same calculation. So, what we have to do? We have to draw a line as we have done of length 12 centimeter. This is BC and this is A. Here is angle 60 degree and this is 30 degree. And now we have to bisect this angle 60 degree also. And we have to bisect angle 30 degree also. These two bisectors cut at suppose E. From E we draw a line parallel to AB. For this we have to draw an angle, alternate angle, which will be equal to angle ADE. We know, all of we know how to draw an angle equal to the angle, but in the opposite side of B, we have to draw an angle which is equal to the angle ABE. Suppose this is the angle. And we join the line. Suppose this is EF. Using this same method, we have to draw an angle at the point A, an opposite side of EB, which will be equal to this angle. We easily can draw the opposite side angle this. Now we draw a line. So, if we draw a line, this line will be, EF will automatically will be equal to parallel to AB, and EG will automatically parallel to AC. So this is the triangle, given triangle EFG, which is this is the triangle in which we will say EF plus FG plus EG is equal to 12 centimeter, and since these lines are parallel and this is the angle of 60 degree, so this will be also angle 60 degree. Same is the case here. Since this is 30 degree, so this will be equal to 30 degree. Now, so this is the required triangle EFG, in which the sum of its three sides EF, FG and EG equal to 12 centimeter, and angle EFG is equal to 60 degree, angle EGF is equal to 30 degree. So this is the full construction. Now we are going to draw the second construction. So for this we are going to write the question. Question will be like this. Second construction. Question number 2. Draw a triangle ABC in which length of BC is given, suppose 6 centimeter, and angle B is equal to suppose 45 degree, and AB plus AC is equal to suppose 10 centimeter. Here only sum of the two sides are given, no three sides. For this, what will we do? We draw a straight line of length 6 centimeter, which is called BC, and on the line BC and at the point FD, we have to draw an angle of 45 degree. And after that, what shall we do? Since sum of the two lines is equal to 60 centimeter, so we produce this and cut a length of 10 centimeter. Suppose BE 10 centimeter in length. Now we join EC because BE is equal to 10 centimeter, so E is the fixed point, which is at a distance of 10 centimeter. We join EC. And what we have to do next part? We have to draw a perpendicular bisector of EC. Taking the same process, take an arc this side and this side also, keeping the nozzle here of the compass, and now keeping the nozzle at C, and length of the arc will be same. We cut these two arcs. We now join this and produce this so that it will cut the line BE at suppose F at the point F. Now we join FC. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle BC is equal to 6 cm and FB plus FC is equal to 10 centimeter. We can prove that. Right? What FC is equal to AE, because if we comparing those two triangles, suppose this is point O, triangle FOE and triangle FOC, these two triangles will be congruent. How? If PO is equal to OC, this angle is equal to this angle, right angle 90 degree, and this is common. EO is common in both the triangles. So the triangle EO, FOE and FOC is similar. Therefore, this side is equal to this side. But this length of BE is equal to 10 centimeter. So we may write BF plus FE is equal to 10 centimeter in place, because so BF plus FC is equal to also 10 centimeter. We have proved also, but not in need of proof. But for our EA we have done proof also. So we have done two construction. So I think that this is sufficient for today. Thank you. Thank you.